What's up, everybody? I am back. Chef Sonny here with another good one for you. How about some bechamel chicken pasta? You know the business and you know how it is. Everything's prepped, so let's get busy. Alright, so we're gonna blacken this chicken. I got some black pepper, cayenne pepper, thyme, onion powder, garlic powder, and some oregano and some paprika. You can pretty much buy your blackening seasoning at the store already made, but I didn't have any, so I just made my own, and that's what you need. So yeah, go ahead and coat both sides of those chicken breasts. Rub them in real good, season it real good. Want a nice coat on these because we're gonna give it a nice char in the hot skillet. There we go. Add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Hey, handsome. And then drop in those chicken breasts. Oh yeah, so I got the pan on about medium high, searing them on one side for about 6 to 7 minutes. Flip them, sear them for about the same amount of time on the other side. And this is all according to how thick your breasts are. I got mine cut real thin. Now let's make this bechamel sauce. Make sure you take that chicken out, set it to the side. Try to keep it warm. Got 4 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna melt that down. Then we go in with a good 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, just like you're making gravy. Go ahead and whisk that flour in there. Let it absorb all of that butter as much as possible. And then we're going to incorporate some milk. Bring in some cold milk, whisk that in. Just like I said on the last one, you're going to pour a little bit, whisk a little bit the whole time you're doing it simultaneously. Pour and whisk until we get a nice, smooth, creamy texture. Oh yeah, now that's the texture that we want right there. Now at this point you want to turn the heat off of the bechamel. And then let's season. I got some coarse sea salt, some fresh ground black pepper, about a half teaspoon of nutmeg, a good deal of cayenne pepper because you know I love the heat, some fresh chopped basil, and some chicken bouillon powder. Now let's whisk all of that in, and I am telling you, these flavors are banging. I'm talking about a party of flavors all in your mouth. And then we're gonna add the cheese. I got some red hoop cheese, some white cheddar cheese, and some Gruyere cheese. And at this point you just want to whisk all the cheese in until it's nice and smooth, just like the texture we had a couple minutes ago. And now it's time to add your pasta. I got some thin spaghetti. I had already cooked. We're just gonna add that in and mix it up and make sure that it gets fully coated with that bechamel sauce. Oh man, now that looks gooder than a mug.